Hello everyone, Matt from the ISS Corporate Garage here on our quest to helping you become the greatest facilitator possible. Now, I want to talk a little bit about ideation and what happens when you have a point of view, you have maybe even a challenge that you want to solve and you want to get lots of ideas. I want to talk to you about three magic words that we center our ideation around in the ISS Corporate Garage. And the magic words are, how might we? How might we is magical because it signifies possibility, how. It also talks about that it may not be, it's just an idea, might not. And it's about us co-creating, it's not someone else. So how might we is an ideation on how we can solve challenges, and it's really magical in groups of people that we put into workshops because it enables us to get ideas to solving real problems, real practical problems, and you can turn any problem into a how might we just by putting how might we in front of the question, from there you can start picking the most interesting how might we's for your innovation workshops. It's all in the box. You can test it out with colleagues before going live in a real workshop, or you can seek advice from us in Copenhagen in the garage. Good luck using the tools.